Thank you. My name is Victoria, and I feel like the luckiest woman alive. I am married to an incredible man. He's kind, he's creative, he's generous, he's hilarious. And he is convinced that I am the most precious treasure on earth, and everybody knows it. When it comes to my kids, I couldn't be more proud. My son is a warm and open young man, and he brings me so much joy. And my daughter, she is such a loving, responsible, and powerful woman. I have so many friends, family, and loved ones that see me for who I am. And they love me and they expect so many great things of me. They see my value, and I'm surrounded by love on every side. And I couldn't be more grateful. But when I was 17, I didn't think that I could have a life that was filled with love. When I was 17, I didn't trust anybody. Because when I was 17, I was raped. But this isn't the story about my rape. This is the story about how I get to process my trauma, and through processing it, I get to have my healing. Those of us that have experienced trauma, whether it's physical or emotional, sexual, psychological, community-based, historical, we understand that the road to healing is often a lifelong journey. And I'm still on that journey. I'm still processing traumas in my life. And what that looks like is tears and pain and anger and moments of frustration and moments of victory and moments of joy and then moments of more tears and support, both professional and personal. The kind of support I was talking about earlier. That's the support I stand in every single day. Because I understand that this is what processing trauma looks like. And when we process, we heal. Thank you.